Good morning from Graham Family Farm. We're out here today. It's beautiful. It's sunny. It's got a little breeze, enough to cool you off and not make you cold. We're looking here at this walnut tree. It's dropping its nuts. Get these all raked up. There's one of these pigs here want to do is eat. They want to be grange. Oh, look at that. Making a lot of noise. Yeah, talking. If they want specialty food, the alfalfa's good, but the grain's better. That's what they're asking for. We usually grain them at nighttime. Add some water. The dish cleaned out, water them. I'm going to have to turn the irrigate or the water out here off and run the hose all the way in the house because I still don't have the freeze valves installed down here in the field. So I'll knock it off. A puppy. A lot bigger than the pig she plays with. Anyway, it's fall. It's starting to get cold. Gotta get the water turned off before the valves freeze again. Always lose at least one a year because I forget to turn it off. They were down here checking on the chickens. See, they're got some eggs. Gotta clean that water dish again. It's a bad thing about ducks. They make a mess out of the water. There's some eggs in the corner there that one chicken's sitting on. So I better go get in there before they eat them. So I got at least one chicken that likes to eat eggs. I'm not sure which one it is, but that one might be a stew one of these days if I catch it. Sally wants to go see her chickens. Oh, she's gonna chase one right out. Have to throw some chicken scratch out first here. Get them occupied eating that. And I come over and I'll steal their eggs. Got one here laying. These chickens like to be petted. So they come up here. These blue stars are very friendly. I was gonna make a mess of it. Normally they lay in a box, but the ducks don't. And I think the younger chickens aren't either. I'm assuming this is from the Leghorn and the Rhode Island and the ducks. Okay, I see that she's got at least one egg under her. Or she won't let me get it. Yep. Ooh, it's nice and warm. I don't know if she just laid this one or if this is from the chicken before her. Anyway, not a bad start. Yesterday I got 11 eggs and we'll see what we got today. I'll keep checking on them throughout the day. Anyway, that's what I do usually every morning. I'm checking on the eggs. I'll leave these eggs down here and just gather the whole 9 yards this evening when they're done laying. got most of this cut up yesterday. Maybe all of it. There's a couple of long pieces here and there, but the majority of it's cut up. And we gotta get it put up by the house or put it in bins or something or another. But he did it with his electric chainsaw. Hooked to the generator right there. So that worked out pretty good. We have gas chainsaws, but seems to be the carburetors are an issue every year. So this one here is for the house, this chainsaw here, and so it does good. This chainsaw has a self sharpener. It's the first time I ever had one like this, and seems to work. No issues yet. Got it for probably a year or so, or at least most of this year. I know since we had it last winter for sure. I still have a few things left from the wedding. We have to pick up. We got to get the chairs out of the field. I get those pallets picked up. So I get it probably mow one more time or so before fall. Try to let it grow out a little bit. I had it pretty short there, but I'd like to get this growing for pasture grass, at least by the spring. It is filling up where I did plant grass. There where the pine tree is, you see where the hay is on the ground, that's starting to fill in. And right here where the pallets are too. We'll plant some more grass seed over the winter time and to get more of this area covered. Hopefully it will be grazing by spring. Here you can see the new grass coming through the hay here. Probably didn't have as much hay over here where it's a little bare, but anyway, it'll start filling in. Not sure if I want to weed and feed this or not, because some of the broadleaf stuff is good food for the goats. They like it, and the pigs. So we'll have to see. I just cleaned the chicken water out, gave them fresh water. Now we're doing the hog water. Hog water stays cleaner than the chicken water. The ducks want to play in the chicken's water. If those ducks weren't laying eggs, I'd be getting rid of them. So at least those ducks are doing something, because they sure to make a mess. Well, it's that time of year. Shut the irrigation water off. The main valve right here that goes out to that line. So right here at the end, this freeze valve is what the last water I have, and I'll have to run a couple hundred feet of hose out to the barn like we have in the past, until I get a freeze valve installed down there, which don't look like it's going to be this year. I can't get a hold of the trencher. I don't want to do it by hand, so anyway, probably by spring. But this is the last day I haven't water down there, because I'm afraid I'll break the valves, they'll freeze. I seem to do that every year, so I'm ahead of the game this time. Nothing's broke yet. Now, since the main valve is shut off on top of the hill, got to drain the pipes, and normally you just open this up. This valve here sticks. What I'm going to do is open up all these down the row, and it'll gravity flow once I open the rest of them, and that's how we clean these out. Now they're deep enough where they don't freeze, but so far Haven't had an issue with it. But we'll open up the other 3 valves, and that should be good for the winter. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.